Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall scikit-learn safely. To begin uninstalling scikit-learn, first, ensure you have the correct environment activated. Open your command line interface. If you're using Anaconda, type conda activate your _environment _name. If you are using pip, activate your virtual environment as necessary. Next, verify that scikit-learn is installed in your environment. You can check this by typing pip show scikit-learn or conda list scikit-learn. Once confirmed, you can proceed to uninstall scikit-learn using pip or conda. If using pip, type pip uninstall scikit-learn and press enter. If using conda, type conda remove scikit-learn and press enter. You will be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y and press enter to proceed. After the uninstallation process completes, it's wise to check if scikit-learn has been removed successfully. Run pip show scikit-learn or conda list scikit-learn again. If you see no output or an error message, the uninstallation was successful. For those using Jupyter notebooks, restart the kernel to ensure no scikit-learn components are still in use. That concludes the uninstallation process for scikit-learn. You can now proceed with any other installations or modifications needed for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.